All right, so here you would have seen the checklist. You would have gone all the way through. It would have asked you now to choose a plan as the next one. So you'll realize if you try and hit get new wallet, basically, it's going to ask you to kind of upgrade. So here it's important to try and understand approximately like how many transactions you have in your workspace so you can choose the right plan. So for example, if I only have like 400 transactions, I know this plan is the right plan for me. It's $29 a month and I can pay yearly or monthly. The same goes if, let's say, I know I have like 20,000 or 19,000 transactions, then I know, okay, it's not this plan, it's not this plan, it's this plan. 20,000 transactions. This gives me up to 20,000 transactions basically in an accounting period. So what is an accounting period? An accounting period is the period in which you are doing your accounts. So let's say, for example, you're doing accounts for 2024. It would be the entire year of 2024. However, let's say you need to go all the way back and do accounts back in 2022. So 2022, 2023, 2024. You have to factor in all the transactions that you need to pull during those 3 years, and that then constitutes your accounting period. So it's basically the period in which you need to do work in. Once you kind of close that period and are finished, then you can kind of like add those credits onto the next accounting period. So that's kind of the way Breezing works, super simple. Now, let's say you're an accounting firm, or let's say you work in a company and you want to assign the billing to another person in the company, or maybe you want to assign the billing to your client. Super simple. You just go to members. You can, again, add your client, basically, to join Breezing. You can give them always viewer role and organization, and then down here you choose any role you want, viewer or editor, and you can make them the billing manager. The billing manager has the right to basically subscribe on behalf of the workspace. The same goes for any kind of teammate. So if you're also inviting a teammate, maybe you want to give them a slightly higher organization role, maybe like an editor. A company role, maybe you just want them to pay. So again, you can bring in a teammate from your company, maybe it's your CFO, maybe it's your VP of finance, maybe it's someone that you need to kind of bring in above you. You can kind of add them, again, click the billing manager, and then they'll be able to come in here and then subscribe and then choose kind of the right plan that really fits your company. Super easy to do. This is kind of how you do it. Just go ahead and follow the basic step after you hit subscribe and let us know if you have any questions.